count to the number 10 today with Polly Glotty and her friends from space. Polly Glotty and her friends are on a tropical island. They are here to learn new English vocabulary words, and today they are counting to the number 10. Let's count with them. Look over there. There's 1 apple. Here are 2 tropical birds. 3 coconuts are laying in the sand. 4 sunny side-up eggs at the breakfast table that they can eat. That's easy. They look yummy. 5 cute dogs playing on the beach. 6 frogs sitting on a log in the pond, and 6 green iguanas eating insects. 7 friends looking confused. 8 silly goats. 9 parrots sitting in a tree, and 10 jellyfish. We did it, friends! Great job! You helped Polly Glotty and her fuzzy purple friends count to 10. Thank you for helping them. They can count to 10 because of you. Where do you want to go with Polly Glotty and her friends next?